Callahan, thank you. There are now more than 20,000 coronavirus cases in New York State. The governor has asked all hospitals statewide to increase their capacity by 50%. News Channel 2's Brent Carney shows us how MVHS is preparing for the surge.
Based on the experience of other parts of the state and what we're seeing in other states, we are preparing for a large surge in volume.
MVHS now developing ways to house more patients than normal. Medical staff are counting beds and possibly looking at other locations to house patients.
This plan is due tomorrow and requires that we have an opportunity to surge up 50% greater than what is our normal census.
To put that in numbers for you, MVHS currently houses about 375 patients at each hospital. The new increase will now allow them to house 525 patients, a number which MVHS says they've already exceeded. And now they're looking for medical staff of both current and past employees for help.
We are looking for retired doctors and nurses who would be willing to help. Those individuals could call, I'm going to tell this number, 315-624-5607.
Oneida County announcing that they are suspending testing at just remote testing sites due to lack of testing and protective supplies. MVHS says they're now getting creative to try and compensate with the lack of supplies, specifically with their protective equipment.
Very grateful for the ingenuity of our own buildings and grounds crew. Let me show you what they have built. They have built face shields. These are face shields made out of laminate, a little plastic, and a rubber band around the back of the head. And they're building these downstairs for us right now.
Resources needed if and when that surge comes. The governor saying if downstate hospitals are overwhelmed, some of those patients could be moved upstate.
If you get overloaded in Albany, then I'm going to use the hospital beds in Utica.
Our priority is to our community. However, we are part of the state of New York, and we will take care of any patient that gets brought here.
In Utica, Brent Carney, News Channel 2.